So let's go ahead and try to check out specific commit. And recap that here I have two different commits, this one and this one. Now in working directory I have two different files, one.txt and two.txt. And at the moment head points to this commit, and that's why if I type here ls I'll see two files, not just one. But if I will do git checkout now and move to previous commit, this one, then the file two.txt will disappear from working directory. Let's go ahead and try that. Please copy this SHA-1 hash of the first commit. In your case, this commit hash will be completely different, because it is created based on all contents of the commit object, including author name and author email and date. In your case, all those records will be different from mine. And you could use either entire SHA-1 hash or just first few characters. For example, I'll copy only 6 characters like that. Let me copy them, go out from this output, press Q, and now let's enter command git checkout and paste here copied SHA hash, part of it actually. Let's press enter, and I see here long output switching to, and here is part of the SHA-1 hash that I just entered. Also I see that now I'm in detached head state, and here I see that I am currently in such SHA-1 hash. Instead of main, I see here this SHA hash. And most important information is here actually. Head is now at first awesome commit, and here is beginning of its SHA-1 hash. Let's now enter command ls, and I see only single file in the git repository folder in our working directory. And that's what I've just told you. When you check out specific commit or branch, you actually move to another state of the repository. And we just moved to the previous, older state of the repository, to the moment when there was no two.txt file. If I enter git log command now, I'll see only single commit, first one. And now head, that is dynamic pointer, points now to this specific commit. There is no branch here at all. But branch main still exists, and second commit still exists. And we could very easily go back to the second commit by checking out branch main, because here in this output I don't see SHA hash of that second commit. But I know that main branch points to that second commit. That's why we could very easily check out now specific branch, not commit. And if you need to check out specific branch, you need simply enter git checkout and next name of the branch. Very simple. Let me clear terminal and enter here git checkout and here name of the branch main, like that. And now I was switched to branch main. Previous head position was here, it pointed to first awesome commit, but now head points to main branch, and main branch points to second commit. Very easy. If I type here ls, I'll see again second file in working directory, and I just moved again to another state of my git repository. And if I enter git log command now, I'll see again two commits, first one and second one. And now head points to main branch, and main branch points to this second commit. That's how you could travel in time by checking out different commits and different branches. And we just tried to check out commit and check out branch by its name. Awesome! Let's clear terminal and proceed.